was a 450. Go ahead and get out of the chair, buddy. Just put that in a rod holder. Past a pile of aku foaming up on the surface, a bunch of tunas and the little skipjack tunas all kind of boiling up here right on the ledge right here. It's a good sign. The last few days we've been seeing a lot of bait up here on the ledge pushed in. In terms of fishing it, the way I like to fish these piles of aku, you know, I have like so many charters that will come out and we'll see piles of birds and aku working, and then kind of drive away from it. Why are you driving away from the tunas on the surface? But I don't think they're really like parked right up in that school, just constantly feeding and harassing the school. I think they're out pretty wide of those schools, and then they'll come in and maybe pick off a bait, or come in and stalk one and eat one, or sit around there. Obviously that's just my opinion, but from what I've seen, and even like talking with commercial fishermen, they tell me that they see, it seems like that's what's going on. You know, I think that the piles of tuna, right, like can feel when that marlin comes in. They can tell there's a predator coming in on them. And I know, like when I fished in Samoa, a lot of times what we were doing, I was using my radar to actually find these piles of aku. Every day there were piles of aku frothing on the surface, skipjack tunas. Every day you'd find schools and schools of them. So I would try to find these schools, and like when I first started fishing down there, I would spend a lot of time hiking to the school or driving over to the school, and I would never get bites. And then I would leave, and I'd be on my way to the next pile, and we'd get hammered by one, like quite a while away from that bird pile. And started to notice that trend, and then kind of worked that into how I would fish the schools by staying wide of the bird piles, just off the edge, come in a little bit close and come out wide on them, and started doing really good by doing that. And it could be because they are like hanging out on the outside, so that's kind of what I like to do. You know, right now we found one here on the ledge. I'm gonna kind of work it here for the next hour and a half or so. If I don't mark any fish, or we don't get a bite, I'll probably move on. But it looks pretty promising. We'll check it out. We'll see. But yeah. Anyways, that's my 2 cents. Might help some people out there. Might not. But that's kind of what I've seen or observed and talked with people, and see if we can get one. work.
Bye.
All right. Healthy release right there. Swimming away. Nice job. We just caught one off that bait, that big pile of bait that I was talking about. There's some big fish around. We're still weeding through the small ones, hoping that the big one comes through here any minute for us. But absolutely gorgeous weather. Love this time of year. If you haven't experienced Kona in the fall, get yourself down here and do it. A lot of the charter operators would be grateful because the fishing's good and we all want to fish. And there's just not a lot of tourists here. Hotels are generally cheaper. I think a lot of people just aren't traveling, but if you have the means and you're able to do it, great time of the year to be here. Everybody gets so confused. There's another one. Boys on this morning, just a couple early. See if we can get this one.